Hello, and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing Stinger Flynn as a custom squishmallow. To start off, we're going to draw in the top of Stinger Flynn, but we're going to make it extra round because it is going to be a squishmallow. So let's start off with making it this wide. Let's go arch all the way up and back down to start our drawing. And we're going to go a little bit lower before we draw in the bottom of Stinger Flynn. And let's do a little bit of big little views to make it extra cute. Clean this up a little bit. It's almost like a Pac-Man ghost. And once you're done with that, let's give it one big cute eye right in the middle. Like so, with a big highlight and color in black. That's looking cool, and then now we just need a big white circle to surround the eyeball. Since this is a little bit more of a chibi squishmallow feeling, we're gonna add in little nub arms. One right here, and one right here. And for the feet, let's just simplify it and just add two little feet. Let's go one, two, and let's see if we can fit in two more. Let's actually put in two more right here. One, two, and that's actually pretty much it for our little chibi Flynn squishmallow. Stinger Flynn is mostly orange, so we just have two tones of orange. Let's add in this lighter tone with a few highlights just to see if we can make it extra rounded and cute. We're gonna start here and draw in two big highlights and a highlight on every little arm, like so. And then we want to split this in half to round it out, like so. Same for the legs. We're going to split them so we know where to color. Now with the split, let's just color the top side this lighter orange. Almost done. Make sure to not color the bottom. It gets even more orange. Almost done. We just need to do the little feet. So we add a shadow right below. Give it a little bit more orange at the sides. And there you have it, your very own Stinger Flynn squishmallow. If you liked the video, please give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.